It's almost summer vacation.
Summer vacation!
Well, if you're a student, that is true. Or a school teacher. Student or school teacher. Some of us, we work year-round. That's a whole other story. Anyway, if you are one of the millions of students or teachers who is going to get a much-needed summer vacation and maybe looking for a little bit of side money, I have found the highest-paying summer jobs for 2017. The first one is babysitting and or nannying. Of course, you have to like children, be responsible. When I was a nanny, I like to, go above and beyond, so I became CPR certified, and then I took a couple classes in like emergency training and childcare. And I remember earning like somewhere between like $8 and $12 an hour. Nowadays, babysitters or nannies make anywhere between $10 and $20 an hour, depending on the size of family and the requirements needed to take care of the children. Job number 2 is a lifeguard. You're getting paid to get a tan and keep people alive. Lifeguards earn on average $10 to $12 an hour, and I do believe you guys have to take a couple tests and training to prove you can swim, you can, perform CPR. I think there's a few others, but I'm not exactly sure what they are, so I will not include any further information on it. Again, average median salary is between $10 and $12 an hour, and I'm pretty sure it gets you not only a free tan, you can swim during your off time, and some places let you bring your family and friends for free. Number 3 on my list is a barista. Whether or not you work full-time or part-time, baristas on average make between $10 and $13 an hour plus tips. Then at the end of the day, in the fall, you'll know how your pumpkin spice lattes are made, your cappuccinos, all that good stuff. You know how all of it's made. Typically, baristas need to be not only good at handling, coffee making, blending, they have to be good at hospitality. I'm noticing more and more and loving this, that baristas are more in tune to know your name, more than saying, hi, how are you? They ask how your day is going, want to know a little bit more. And then some of them I'm noticing remember, like, hi, Kristen, how are you doing? Are your auditions coming up? Which is amazing to me because it kind of brings that, little bit of home hospitality into your coffee visit, and it's just, if you like talking to people, it's nice. Number 4 is one of my favorites, and it is dog sitting and or house sitting. I did this a lot. I sometimes still do it when like my close friends or family go out of town. Typically, it's just visiting the home 1 or 2 times a day, taking in the mail, making sure lights are on at the end of the day if they want to make sure they look like they're home at night, and that they have an animal to walk it, feed it, etc. On average, home and or dog sitting will pay you between $10 and $20 a day. If you want to be a little bit more adventurous, number 5 is a camp counselor. Again, you must like children, you must be responsible, as in camp counseling, a lot of times you are spending like your nights in the cabins with the kids, so responsibility at its highest. Average median salary is between $300 to $500 a week, and the best part about being a camp counselor is you're not paying rent to live there. Like, I did this one summer and it was great because I got to go live in the mountains and I taught music to these girls at a summer camp. They paid for all my food. I had to get myself to the camp, which was 9 hours away. They reimbursed me for my gas, and then for the 3 months I was there, paid no rent, no food. It was great. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, look into camp counseling. You will not be sorry, unless you don't like kids. And last on this list is personal assistant. This one can be a little bit more difficult to obtain, but if you know somebody who's really busy and you have the time, it never hurts to ask, if they're looking for somebody to help them, even if it's just pick up their groceries, their laundry, help straighten up their home, pick up their kids. A lot of families with multiple kids have a rough time in the summer. They just need somebody to pick up their 5 kids and their laundry and groceries. Laundry, I meant to say dry cleaning, and get them home. And a lot of people will pay and be very appreciative to having kind of a personal assistant. The average salary for a part-time personal assistant is between $10 and $20. The median was right at $15. It just depends on what that person needs. If they need more from you, obviously you'll get paid more. If there are kids involved, you'll get paid more. but it's really nice and it's not a bad gig for a little bit of extra summer spending money. Anyway, those are my top 6 summer jobs for the year of 2017. If there was anything that you think I missed and should be included in this list, please leave them down in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, as always, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click the little red subscription button down below, as well as the bell next to it. You'll be updated each and every time I upload a video and or live stream. That is it for this video. I will see you guys later. Have a fantastic summer.